everyone, it's me, Blue. So, St. Patrick's Day, did you wear green? Did you pinch anyone? If you didn't wear green, you can tell me and I'll pinch you. Anyway, let's get started on the video. Today, I'm going to show you how to make day and night nails. Let's get started. First, I'll need nail polish, obviously. I'm using black for the night sky and light blue for the day sky. Yellow glitter for the night stars, and white glitter for the day clouds, and clear polish. I'm using clear polish, but you can also use nail glue if you want. I'm going to start with the night. So the first thing to do is paint one hand's nails black, or whatever your night color is. Now add your yellow stars while your polish is still wet. After that, add your clear coat over it. Once that is dry, search your other hand. So this is what they look like. Don't they look beautiful? So now we can pinch people with beautiful nails, even though it's not St. Patrick's Day. As long as you don't hurt them, it's fine. And that's it. If you liked my video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with all your friends. Bye!